Have you ever heard the statement, you should build a personal brand? If so, stay tuned because in this video, I'm gonna break down why that's always a poor man's advice. So stay tuned and we're gonna dive right in. What's up guys, my name is Chidester, teaching you how to build profitable online businesses. Now, as I stated below, earlier in this video or before, is that if someone tells you you should build a personal brand as a beginner, they have no idea what they're talking about and they probably don't make a lot of money. I'm gonna explain to you exactly why. But before I do, make sure you hit the like button so that people who need help, who are beginners, who are getting this bad advice, can also see this video. Now, tip number one and reason number one you don't need to be building a personal brand is one, you have no cash. It makes no sense. Basically, that's like someone telling you to go waste your time buying lottery tickets on the scratch off. It's stupid. It's not gonna take you anywhere. You need money to get your name out there. There's not a lot of people who are famous who don't make a lot of money. It doesn't go hand in hand. If they're famous, it's for a reason. And when they're famous for that reason, they usually get paid well for that reason. So you need to go out and make money. Then you'll become someone people want to know. No one cared who I was before I was doing $1 million a month. Just being honest, they didn't really give a shit, right? And they probably don't give a shit about you either because you have nothing really going for you yet. And that's okay, because that's why you're watching this video on this channel. So the reason number one that you don't need to waste your time building a personal brand is you're broke. Learn how to make cash. Reason number two is because it's focusing on the wrong metric. Do you care about being famous or do you care about being rich? Do you care about people knowing who you are or do you care about having a good lifestyle? Do you care about what others think about you or do you care what you think about yourself? It's totally different. I'm not saying you can't be famous and be rich. I think I'm working my way towards both, or I'd like to think so. But I'd rather be rich than famous 9 times out of 10 or 10 times out of 10 actually, because who gives a shit what other people think? It's irrelevant. When you die, you're not gonna sit there and go, oh my God, I'm so glad I have so many likes on Instagram and Facebook. What you're gonna worry about is, did you have good relationships? And did you have a lot of good experiences? And that comes through, again, cash, which is why your focus should not be on notoriety, okay? A lot of times when people say build a personal brand, they're talking about fame, they're talking about being well known. You're not gonna be well known for doing nothing special. Sorry, it doesn't work that way. So learn how to do something special and then people will know who you are. Now the third and final tip, the reason you shouldn't focus on this, is you should be focusing on sales. Sales is what drives the business. The more sales I make, the more well-known I become, the more clients I get, the more cash I have, the more I can do, the more I can buy, the more I can buy, the more I am well-known. I can pay for PR, I can pay for shout-outs, I can pay for connections. That is why money is important, guys. That's the reality we live in. So if you focus on the wrong metrics, or you focus on the wrong things, you're not gonna be very successful. To recap this, I wanna go through this one more time. You shouldn't focus on building a personal brand because you don't have cash. Learn how to get cash. Second, you shouldn't focus on fame, focus on money, okay? The money will bring you fame if that's what you want. Don't focus on fame and have money as a byproduct. Focus on money and the byproduct will be fame. And then the third and final reason, you should be focusing on sales, okay? All you should be worried about when you're broke and you're a beginner is how to make money. How do I get sales? Not how famous you can become, not how well known you are. Focus on sales. So those are the 3 tips. If you need help growing your business, learning how to do these things in the proper order, and then building a personal brand, go ahead and click above or below this video or go to eliteceos.com where we will show you how you can build your online business and how I did it. Went 0 to 8 figures in less than 22 months. And I'm one of the few and I can show you how you can go to those heights and beyond if you just allow me to. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate the support. I'll see you in the next one.